Collaboration is key when it comes to the creative process, and now more challenging than ever as many are working remotely. Adobe Creative Cloud offers apps and services to bridge disciplines, teams, time zones, and locations. Creative Cloud offers apps and services that help you and your teams collaborate better, no matter where you are. Creative Cloud Libraries allows you to easily manage, organize, and access creative assets across your applications, and can be shared to ensure everyone is working with the same logos, colors, and icons. Creative teams working in XD, After Effects, and Premiere Pro can co-edit the same project at the same time to bring ideas to life more quickly. While Adobe Spark allows you to invite others to edit, share, and collaborate with colleagues and clients on the web. Reviewing with teammates and clients is really easy right from your applications. Creative Cloud automatically saves your work to the cloud, and you can always go back to previous versions. And the new Creative Cloud desktop app makes it easy to access, update, and discover all the great apps and services available with your subscription. Whether you're working together in the same room or remotely, Adobe has tools to make collaboration seamless, so you can create incredible content anywhere.